Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now this video is really fun one because we are working with Palindrome now, and in this question we need to check, like let's go to the question. So we are given an array of strings, and in this array we need to find the first palindromic string. Now if you don't know what a palindrome is a kind of let me show you. So technically I will take an example of a race car. Okay, if I reverse this is our string. Okay, if I reverse this, then also I will get the same word. Okay, RACECAR, race car. Okay, so this is the palindrome, and in this array we need to find the first palindrome that we encounter. Okay, so basically right now we will be covering two ways to solve this question. First is going to be our brute force way, where we will be checking whether each string is a palindrome or not, and the second one is going to be using our string builder function, string builder data type. Okay, so let's start with the first brute force, that is, we'll check each string if it is a palindrome or not. So for that, first we'll traverse through our array. So let me just, okay, so we are good with this. Now we will check at each index if that is a palindrome. This is a function and we'll passing a string. If this is a palindrome, then we'll simply return our words at I. Okay, string that is at ith index. Otherwise, as the question says, we'll return an empty string. Now we need to create this function, so let's do that. So this is going to be Boolean function. It will be returning true or false. Okay, it's palindrome, and the arguments is going to be a string. Okay, now how will we do this? Let's see that. So for this, what we'll do is, let me just write this word. Yeah, so we'll have two pointers, start and end. We'll compare. If they are equal, we'll do like increment our start and decrement our end. Equal, increment, decrement, equal, increment, decrement. If at some point, let's say for the example racer, this is S and E. Okay, like right now there's S and E, they are similar, so we increment, decrement. Now we can see that start is pointing to A and end is pointing to E, which is not equal. At that point we'll simply return false. Okay, so let's see the code. So first we need two pointers, start, end. Okay, while start less than end, what we'll check, if s dot character at index start, if that is equals to character at index end, in that case we increment our start and decrement our end. Okay, else if that is not the case, we'll simply return false. And if we do not encounter any false statement, any else, if we don't go into the else part, that means we have found our palindrome, so we'll simply return true. So let me submit this. Our code is done. Okay, I'm sorry, this is a string. Okay, so it's really simple, but we have even a better way, like a much smaller way to solve this. So let me remove this whole function which is taking a lot of time. Okay, like it is taking a lot of space in the coding area. Okay, let's keep it short. So right now what we'll do is we'll use the string builder. Okay, so let's first traverse through our array. Okay, at each point what I'll do is I will convert the string to a string builder. How will we do that? String builder sb equals to new string builder words I. Okay, now this is converted to string builder. Now the function, like the property of a palindromic string palindrome is that if you reverse that palindrome, it will be similar to what you had earlier. Okay, so what we'll do is we already have a reverse function in our string builder, so we'll directly compare that with the string. So sb dot reverse. Okay, but now this is just we have reversed the string, but it is a string builder. We need to convert that to string. After converting it to string, we need to compare it with our words that I. Okay, and this whole thing will come into an if, as an if statement. Okay, if this thing is true, then we'll simply return words I. Otherwise, return an empty string. So if you can see, our code of almost 20-25 lines is reduced to hardly 3 lines of code. Okay, let's submit this. Okay, so it's really that simple. It's like that easily you can solve, and your code looks much cleaner. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and that's it for this video. And do let me know if you have any other suggestions or queries for me to solve from any other platform. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding.